Okay, so today's project is going to be pretty straightforward. All I'm going to be doing is swapping out my broken three-way switch with the new one. And it's pretty straightforward and easy process. It'll be the same process that you'll use to swap out two-channel switches also. There's just a series of leads going to the switch that all you're going to do is unsolder the original and go ahead and solder the new one in place. Okay, so there's only 4 screws that hold the back of the transmitter in place. Now this is just for the Flysky version controller. I'm sure it'll be the same for your Tyrannuses and your Flysky. So let's go ahead and unsolder the old. We might just have to cut it out. Guess not. Alright, that'll work. So we're going to do it where it'll have your volts. It says on the back the VAC, yeah, all the labels. So your on-offs are going to go towards the on-off side is going to be on this side, on your left side, and all the writing is going to be on the right side, just to try to keep it the same as what it was. Okay, pitch the old one in with the new. So alright, so this is what I'm talking about. Probably not going to see it, but it has all the writing on one side and then your on off and the ground for the center. I think that's a ground, but yeah, it's going to be going in this way. Alright, now that we got everything tinned up, we're going to go ahead and just solder it in place. White on the bottom. Pardonnez-moi. White on the bottom. Shaken, not stirred. There's the white. We're gonna go yellow. There, just set it down. I guess if you want to make life really easy for yourself, you can just unscrew the two-way switch from the controller. Just unscrew this, and then the wire comes all the way. Here, I'll just show you real quick. If you want to make life easier on yourself, so you can actually get this in a jig to solder, you can take off the two-way switch and then just unplug it from your board on the controller. But I am lazy and don't want to take apart more than I have to, so I will just I'll just do it this way. I'll try going on the top, see if that helps. Give a little tug. Alright, and then just, all it is just popping it back in here and screwing it in place, and you're done.